foods. So what will American consumers do? What will American companies procure and distribute to their consumers in the American market? Obviously, they will need supplies of these products and goods. So essentially, what would happen was that if these tariffs continued against China and the trade war continued between US and China, India had an advantage. As they say, when two parties are fighting, a third party can benefit from it. The US-China trade war was in some way beneficial for India because it would channel the investments towards India. American investors, American manufacturing companies, which have manufacturing sites in China, they would relocate from China, shift to other destinations like India, Vietnam, etc. So this would have benefited India immensely. Manufacturing would have shifted to India, at least part of it, giving a significant boost to our exports, creating jobs in the Indian economy, bringing more FDI into the Indian economy. This would have been a benefit for India. But now that US-China are working out a trade deal, and they've already announced a temporary pause and arrangement as well, and brought down the tariffs to 30 and 10%, this may not happen anymore. The shift of American manufacturing in China towards India may not happen. See, this is what we refer to as the China plus one strategy, that many companies were being encouraged by their Western governments to follow, to shift manufacturing away from China, to move to other destinations, not just for economic reasons, for geopolitical reasons as well, because China is known to weaponize its trade advantages. So many companies were looking at China plus one to diversify their manufacturing into other countries like India, Vietnam and others. But now this might take a hit if a trade deal is worked out and if the trade war comes to an end between US and China. So this could be disadvantageous for India. So that could be a drawback for us. On the other side, this trade deal and the normalization of trade relations between the two big powers